Hi everyone, it's Cibelle Hill here, and today I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite desserts, my moist and nutty carrot cake. It's perfectly spiced, rich, and wonderfully soft, the kind of cake that fills your kitchen with the most comforting aroma. Here's what you'll need: 260 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 295 milliliters of oil, 200 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 large eggs, 300 grams of grated, peeled carrots, and 120 grams of chopped walnuts. Simple ingredients, but when they come together, magic happens. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch cake pan and line it with parchment paper. Now, in a medium bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, and salt, the ground cinnamon, until they're well blended. This keeps the texture nice and light. In another large bowl, whisk together the oil, sugar, and vanilla extract, and give it a good stir. Next, add your 4 eggs, whisking well until the mixture looks smooth and golden. Then add your grated carrots. Finally, fold in your chopped walnuts for that lovely crunch and nutty flavor. Now pour your wet ingredients into the bowl with your dry ingredients. Mix gently with a spatula until everything's combined. Don't overmix, just blend it enough to bring the batter together. Transfer the batter into your prepared cake pan and smooth out the top. Bake in your preheated oven for about 1 hour. To check if it's ready, insert a knife or skewer into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is baked to perfection. Once baked, take it out of the oven and let it cool in the pan for a few minutes. Then move it onto a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a gorgeous golden carrot cake that's moist, lightly spiced, and filled with walnut goodness. It's perfect on its own, or you can top it with cream cheese frosting if you like a little extra indulgence. I'm Cibelle Hill. Thanks for baking with me today. Enjoy your slice of comfort, and I'll see you next time.